Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change language on your Filmora application. To add language on Filmora, the first thing you'll need to do is to open the Filmora application on your computer. Go ahead and sign into your account first, and once you are signed in to the main home page, click on your profile avatar at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Manage My Account. You will now end up in the Account Center page of Filmora. Scroll all the way down and you will be able to see a language drop-down. Click on it and select a preferred language of your choice you want to change to from the list. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change the language setting on your Filmora account. You can get back to the same menu to get to the desired language of your choice anytime you want. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.